Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
The 24 juz of the Quran continues its deep reflections on faith, responsibility, and the inevitable meeting with our Creator. It completes Surah Az-zumar, moves through Surah Ghaafir, and opens Surah Fussilat, each unveiling powerful lessons that demand our attention. Surah Az-zumar concludes with a striking reminder. Allah's mercy is vast. No sin is too great if one sincerely repents. Yet, for those who persist in arrogance, the consequences are dire. The imagery is vivid. Believers welcomed into paradise with open gates, while the gates of hell slam shut behind the disbelievers. The message is undeniable. Our choices in this world determine our fate in the next. Then comes Surah Ghaafir, a surah of warnings and hidden believers. We witness a powerful moment in Pharaoh's court, when an unnamed believer, hiding his faith, speaks out to defend Prophet Musa. His courage in the face of certain death is a lesson for all who hesitate to stand for the truth. Meanwhile, Pharaoh's arrogance knows no bounds. He orders Haman to build a tower, hoping to see Allah. But power and pride mean nothing in the face of divine justice. The surah also reminds us of the journey of life, how we begin as dust, grow in stages, and ultimately return to our Creator. Every breath is a step closer to that moment. Finally, we enter Surah Fussilat. It opens with a powerful declaration. The Quran is a book of guidance, but the disbelievers refuse to listen, drowning it out with noise and distraction. But the truth cannot be silenced. The surah paints a stunning image, the creation of the heavens and the earth in precise measure, a testimony to Allah's supreme control. And then a timeless lesson. When people claim to speak the best words, they must back them with sincerity and wisdom. True guidance isn't just in speech, it's in action. The 24 juz is a reminder that life is short, choices matter, and the doors of mercy are open for those who truly want to change, for people who actually try to better themselves. The question is, will we be one of them?